What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the printer error 0x8000FFFF or operation could not be completed error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this error. The first thing you should do is type in devices or printers. Let's just write printers because it's different for every computer. So printers and scanners. And once you get here, you're going to see whatever printer is your issue, and you want to open up the queue to basically remove everything over here. It's entirely possible like you have something that's just stuck here and you want to right click into it and then cancel all the documents that are basically in here. Again, whichever printer it is the one that's causing an issue for you. If that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is type in troubleshoot until you get to this troubleshoot settings page and open up additional troubleshooters. And in here, you want to basically find the printer section for the troubleshooter and run this troubleshooter. A lot of times this will fix your issues. So I would highly recommend you to basically run this and go from there. The next thing is you want to type in services. And in here, you're going to look for something called print spooler over here. And you want to make sure, as you can see mine is, but you want to make sure this is running. If it's not, stop it and then start it again, basically restart it, and then make sure this is on automatic, not manual or disabled or automatic delayed start, and then try again as well. Once you do these steps, you should be good to go and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash it up, go ahead and shop, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and more tutorials out. Peace.